Hello teacher, today I'm gonna talk about the water. So let's continue. Why do we need water so badly? So this is really important to understand because we use water for basically everything in our daily routine, in our daily life. For example, we use for alimentation, obviously. Uh, we use it for our animals or in the farms or in everywhere that where there are animals they use water in agriculture, so obviously we need to have some plants, some food, and they need water. And the products we consume, for example the drinks, the cans or everything, or basically many things use water. So that is the reason why we need water so badly. It's really important, and water is present in every aspect of our lives. So what issues do countries and communities face when there is a water shortage? That's a little bit complicated to explain. For example, in Ecuador we don't have that problem so badly, or we don't have a really huge problem about the water. But in other countries, in other parts of the world, the water shortage is a huge problem. For example, the movement of water is really expensive and really long, and because the rivers or the places where water is located is really far, and it's difficult the movement. Hunger, it's another problem because people can't uh, plant, so obviously they don't have food, they don't have plants, they don't have vegetables, and obviously they are hungry. And additionally the animals also can't drink water and they die, and people can't consume those animals. Illnesses, well, water is really important, so if they don't eat they get sick, and the illnesses are really are a big problem. And some conflicts, for example, many people wanna move from one place to another, from one country to another where the condition is better. So these are this is a conflict in each country because they need the movement, and this is a problem for the next countries too. So the last part, what should be done to protect our water supply? So that is important. It's really difficult to say and specific thing, but for example, eat eat less red meat. In the video says that if the people eat less red meat, well, the consume of water decreases. Uh, we don't have to waste food, obviously, because 1.3% of the food is wasted. So if we don't waste, obviously, if we eat all the food we create, so the consume of water decreases too. Use the water wisely. It's really important because sometimes we waste the the water, and avoid squander water. This is like this. This is like the previous point, but with a difference. We need to use the water wisely for for the things we need to use, and we have to avoid squander water. For example, in Carnival, we spend or we waste lots of tons of water, so that's a problem. We have to avoid that kind of activities. We can use other kind of activities in Carnival, for example, but we have to reduce the consume of water. So that was my presentation. Thank you so much.